Repligen has invested for the future. We are the only supplier in the industry with column packing capabilities in 2 continents. We are here to help our customers bring their therapeutics and vaccines to the market as cost effectively and as quickly as possible. Opus pre-packed columns from Repligen arrive ready to run and greatly improve downstream production efficiency, which can help reduce the time to market. By adding a European Center of Excellence for Opus columns in Breda, Netherlands, we differentiate pre-packed column supply with manufacturing redundancy and improved security of supply.
Adding a facility closer to our European customers streamlines business logistics and provides redundant manufacturing capability. We've simplified how customers provide resin for column packing, and we've eliminated the cumbersome documentation requirements and increased product delivery times associated with shipping Opus columns from the US to Europe. As a result, our European customers will experience shorter lead times for resin transit and more consistent lead times for the delivery of Opus columns.
Repligen Breda incorporates a decade of column packing expertise and experience into a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. Column packing suites in Breda include the most advanced chromatography systems on the market with fully integrated process automation. The addition of 8 ISO 7 cleanrooms will increase the manufacturing footprint for our Opus columns with 60% and an increase of our annual production capacity by 70%. A flexible site design with multi-platform capability means we're prepared to support both current demand and our future growth.
Harmonized quality systems ensure that column materials, column packing processes, and column specifications such as plates, asymmetry, bioburden, and endotoxin are consistent across our manufacturing sites. Opus 2.5 to 80R pre-packed columns are deemed equivalent in fit, form, and function, whether the column is packed in North America or Europe.